We're here in Medford at Braith, Welding and Fabrication. Nice clean shop here, very clean. I'll just pan around it quick. The shop here is closing, so we'll do a quick walk through here. Here we have a Miller-Matic 211 wire feed. We got a Victor 52 Cutmaster plasma cutter. Miller Synchro Wave 250 Heliarc welder. Here we have the Miller-Matic 350P aluminum with the air-cooled gun. Very special and expensive unit here. Here we have a Miller-Matic 350P wire welder. We have a Victor torch outfit. As we walk through here, I'll pan around. We got a wall mount stock rack with various mild steel and stainless steel pieces. Come around this way, we have another wall mount stock rack. This has various sizes and shapes of aluminum stock on it. Some more down on that end. Here we have a makeup conveyor. And another one which feed into this here Bailey horizontal bandsaw. Got some stock there, a couple Motorcraft cabinets. Here we have another stock rack with various sizes and shapes, aluminum, stainless, and mild steel. Panning around a little more, we got a cart, shop cart. Here's a big welding table there. Here's another welding table. Here's our star of the show here. It is a Tommy 67-ton hydraulic iron worker. Very new, very nice piece. This is a Bailey pipe and tubing bender hydraulic unit. Again, very new, very nice. We have a Jet 6-inch belt sander, 12-inch disc sander combination. This is a Westward Fab 16 gauge 44-foot box and pan brake. Scrolling around, we've got a huge layout and welding table. Sorted supplies. Lots of cords, extension cords, heavy cords. We got rubber floor mats. More carts. We got a barbecue grill over there. We got some steel sawhorses with extensions, conveyor legs, other carts. Pneumatic hand truck. A couple of big shelf units over here. Jack stands. Aluminum floor jack. Shop fan. Got a miter saw stand and a spare tire for a trailer. I got a fifth wheel receiver hitch. Here's the rotary phase converter. Sheet stock rack. Various aluminum, stainless, and mild steel again. Here we have the Niagara underslung 1/4x10 shear. Also has a cart for the drops. It's a Grobe 36-inch bandsaw. We got a Bailey mill drill here. Sandblast cabinet, folding cherry picker. A couple of Bosch cabinets. Shelf unit. We got welding gas bottles here. Shelf unit, toolbox, mighty parts cabinet. A couple of Granger bolt bins with assorted hardware and a custom aluminum cart. Performax toolbox. Here's another big cart that housed 3 of the welders over there. This is a Maytag kickstart engine that runs. This is McCormick Deering hit and miss engine with a cart. mounted to a cart, and there's the handle for it. That thing spins freely. In fact, I'll show you. Here we have another big shop cart. Pneumatic tire. 6-inch machine vise, 6-inch bench vise, various welding wires, casters, straps, different welding supplies, hand tools. So there's a stinger, we got clamps, we got bar clamps, various hand tools, welding regulators, another torch set, torch hose, hand tools, the magnetic drill, power tools, drill indexes, saw blades, all kinds of good stuff. Well, that's all we have for now.